Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to use Binance Savings and Earning Program. To use the Binance Savings and Earning Program, you have to follow the steps. First thing, you have to go to login into your account and make sure that you have already verified your account. And when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. And to use the Binance Savings and Earn program, you just have to go to your Binance Financial tab by tapping on the profile icon from the top left hand side. And this is going to take you to the page where you can see the list of options. Right on this page, you could go and press on the option that says Simple Earn. When you do that, then you could go ahead and tap on the flexible saving product. You can then choose the cryptocurrency that you want to deposit and the amount you want to deposit. So I'm going to go with USDT. When you have done that, you could go ahead and enter in the information, all that, and once you've done, you could go ahead and confirm it, and then you'll have successfully used the Binance Savings and Earn program. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.